Is your shoe factory still relying on manual cutting? It's time to upgrade. Say goodbye to fixed templates and reject manual alignment. Machine vision identifies real fabrics in seconds. Automatically correct cutting path. Specifically addresses 3 major pain points. Material misalignment during cutting, automatic correction, accurate to the millimeter. Wasting material, smart nesting, saving material means saving money. Small orders to slow, eliminate the need for plate making and seamlessly switch between multiple small batch designs. Extract value from every inch of fabric and turn every small order into profit.